In this video, we are going to go over the Blue Yeti microphone that you'll receive in the kit as part of becoming a member of the vidwheel Creator Network. This is what it will look like once it's taken out of the kit. As you can see, this is a black microphone, yours may be blue, but besides color, they're all the same. So let's look at the bottom interface first. Underneath the microphone, you'll see the USB mini port. This is a plug-and-play unit, so all you will have to do when assembling the microphone is take the USB cable that came in the kit and plug the USB mini end into the bottom of the microphone, and take the other end and plug it directly into your computer or to the 4-port hub that comes in the kit. Next, this slot here is for your headphones. This is if you want to plug them in and monitor yourself as you speak so you can hear how you sound. Though it is not necessary for the assembly, just based on preference. Let's take a look at the front of the mic. First, you'll want to lift the mic up and tighten both of these knobs. With the blue logo facing you, you can tighten the right side away from you and the left side towards you to ensure that the mic stays upright in place. The first button you'll notice on top is the mute button. This is where most of the problems arise. If the light is blinking red, it means you are not receiving audio. If the light is a solid red, that means you are receiving audio. If it is blinking, simply press down on the button and it should turn solid red, which will pick up audio. Next is this knob underneath. This knob is used only if you have headphones plugged in. The volume can be adjusted so you can hear yourself better. Let's move on to the back of the mic. On the back, you will have two knobs. The one on top is called the gain. The gain is the amplitude of what's being received into the microphone. In other words, it's really just how much sound the mic is picking up, which includes any background noise or room noise. We recommend that you keep the gain to about the 9 o'clock position or lower. This mic is a condenser mic, which means it is very sensitive. Turning up the gain too high can ruin the audio quality very quickly. The knob underneath is the pattern options. We can do a quick run through of each of the settings and the setting that we recommend. The first one is the far left, which is the stereo mode. This uses left and right channels to pick up sound. Next up is the omnidirectional pattern, or the circle. This picks up sound equally all around the microphone, which captures more of the ambience of the environment for multi-person podcasts or live music with an audience. The next up is the cardioid mode, or what we like to call the upside-down heart. This is if you're speaking directly in front of the microphone, for voiceovers or video calls when there's only one person speaking. The last one is the bidirectional pattern, which looks like the number 8. This records from the front and the rear of the mic, which is best for 2-person recording. If it is just you talking into the microphone though, we recommend just sticking with the cardioid setting. This is the best setting for one person speaking directly into the microphone. When you are speaking, you'll want the blue logo facing you, and you'll want to speak directly into the side of the windscreen here. We recommend keeping the microphone as close as possible, or about a foot away from you, to get the best sound quality. So that's everything for the Blue Yeti microphone. We hope this walkthrough was helpful in learning all about the settings for the microphone. Thanks for watching.